Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. I am doing good. Fresh fruits straight from the farms. This I didn't go to any supermarket, I didn't go to any shop. Actually, this was delivered to the place where I am living by Horticrop. Horticrop is a department where they buy fruits and vegetables from the farmers directly and they sell it. Usually they have shops. Now they have started delivery because it's difficult to go to the shops and buy these kind of things. So this is a good service. Now these are fresh fruits, locally grown. It's not imported. It's fresh. It's a local product. In this video I'm going to talk about self-reliance. How do we become self-reliant? This was something announced by our Prime Minister Modi ji 2 days back, announcing lockdown number 4. Things are not going to be as tough as earlier, because we need to understand that this is not going to end very soon. Could be this virus could stay like HIV. It may not be completely eradicated. It may be amongst us. People may get infected. So how long can we stay or under lockdown or stay in a very controlled way? We need to live with this. That's the only option. Most of the countries feel vaccines are expected, but we don't know when it will come. So in this video I'm going to talk about self-reliant India. This we realized during this lockdown, during this current situation. Every country would sell their products or export to other country only after their needs. We were running out of face masks, we were running out of ventilators, we were running out of hand sanitizers, but every country told that no, we need it because our country needs, our people needs. So hold on, if we have extra we will give you. So these are some things which we really need to understand. We need to change, we need to work towards becoming self-reliant. Self-reliant in the sense, we need to produce everything what we need, at least the basics. Now why should we become self-reliant? See, it's like almost now 3 months that we are in a state of lockdown, confusion. Amazon, Flipkart were services which I was really depending upon. Many products which I regularly use for my day-to-day needs were ordered by Amazon or Flipkart. But during this lockdown, last 3 months, none of my orders, none of my requirements are served by these companies. I'm not blaming them. It's because of the lockdown, because of the government restrictions. These services are not available. But that doesn't mean that I had to suffer without all these products not getting delivered because of Amazon was not delivering or Flipkart was not delivering. The local Kirana shop came to my rescue. I could buy my daily needs from my local Kirana shop. Even some of the shops were delivering to the place where I was staying. So even fruits, vegetables, everything I needed. I couldn't get imported products. On Amazon I can go and order a David of coffee, but I could get Sunrise coffee, I could get local brands of Kurk tasty coffees. So this really teaches us that we need to depend on products which are locally made, locally manufactured, locally grown, fruits, vegetables. Definitely we cannot have kiwi fruits, because if you go to a supermarket and go to the area where imported products are sold, you can get all kinds of imported vegetables and fruits. But we should get used to local products. Getting used to local products, encouraging local farming, local manufacturing, and this can happen only when we are consuming local products. We are supporting local products, and that's the only way where we can become self-reliant. See, many years back when I was a child, scooter means Vijay Super Bajaj, car means Ambassador Premier Padmini, sometimes Contessa Classic. All these are made in India, and very rarely in movies you see the left-hand drive Mercedes Benz or some other car. In 1992, India moved towards globalization. We started seeing foreign products coming to India, or otherwise it would be like you will see a Sony tape recorder or a video cassette recorder VCR at a house where there is somebody working abroad, or you have to go to a smuggler or a place where such illegal smuggled goods are being sold. Other than that, you find only Indian products. Jam, Kisan Jam. Biscuit, Parle Biscuit. Clothes from Vimal, Khadi products. Chappal used to be local products. All local products. We never saw any big brand during our childhood. After 1992, these kind of products started coming in, and more people started traveling abroad. Even for me, I when I travel, I try to buy the best known brands around the world, which are popular brands. Or even say, even the iPhone, it's an Apple phone. Every phone purchased in India, we are paying from our foreign reserve to Apple in America. Anything we import, the foreign exchange is lost. You cannot buy anything with Indian rupees. We need to pay for US dollars, convert it, and then US dollars or euro or pound or something else is used for imports. We are losing lots of foreign exchange. Why can't we have a Indian operating system? Why can't we have an Indian smartphone? We have Tata trucks running, we have Tata cars, we have Airtel. We really have really good big brands like Mahindra, the best jeeps. We should be happy with that. Why do we have to spend money for imported cars, or why do we have to spend a lot of money buying foreign brands? The first step towards self reliance is patriotism. You need to love your country, you need to love India. Now I should have the feeling to buy an Indian product. I should avoid buying anything which is not made in India. I should support a Indian brand. I should help a Indian startup. I should help or do everything which would help my farmers. I don't need to go to a supermarket, go to the area where imported fruits are sold. Kiwi fruit, plums. Let's have Indian fruits. We got papaya, we got banana, we got mango. Lots of seasonal fruits are available. Why do we have to buy imported fruits or vegetables? Why do we have to buy imported oats? Why do we have to buy imported biscuits? Why do we have to buy imported coffee? We need to decide on these things. That's patriotism. We need to become self reliant. We need to support our brands, our farmers, our manufacturing. Why are these big brands coming to India? Because there's a demand, right? I should go to a small fruit shop and buy a fresh fruit juice rather than buying cola. I should go to a local restaurant and have my local food rather than pizza or KFC or Domino's. That's what patriotism would be. We need to, yes, some food are really tasty, but we should support our local vendors, local manufacturers, local farmers. That's the only way we can grow. Proper supply chain. Farmers should focus only on farming. As soon as the harvest is over, there should be a system that somebody buys all their produce and take to the right place where they can sell, where people like us can buy. So establishing a very good supply chain system, which we already have, but we need to improve on that. It can be like we need to digitalize everything, we need to use technology. India is growing really fast in terms of internet usage. Every village is now connected with internet, super speed internet, 4G internet. We need to make sure to use this technology, connect farmers to the end users. Even I should be able to find out a farm and order some mangoes. There should be a system where some agency would be procuring these mangoes and I can order these mangoes local produce online. Things are coming up. It's not that it's not there. There are system, but let's make it more stronger. Let's come out of big brands like Amazon or Uber or all those kinds of stuff. Amazon did not help me in delivering goods during the lockdown, but Horticop or local, my farmer helped me to get me fresh vegetables. It's not just agriculture. Let's go into local tourism. See, India is such a big country with so much of diversity, culture, language, food. Everything is there. Go to Andamans, much better than Maldives. Go to Sikkim, go to Goa, come to Kerala. These are amazing places. I have not traveled the entire country. Why can't I finish traveling in entire country? It's a lifetime. The entire lifetime I cannot finish traveling India. So I feel that we should promote local tourism. Every Indian, why rather than dreaming Europe, why don't we now focus on traveling inside India? Pharmaceuticals is something which we are dependent, not just we, the entire world is dependent on 70% of API on China. It's high time that we start doing spending money on research and doing our own manufacturing, whatever we need, at least the basic medications, whatever we need. We should have our own manufacturing, we should not depend upon any other country. So, guys, this is my first video on becoming India self reliant. I am planning a campaign. I need to make many videos on this. I want to support purely Indian brands or purely Indian manufacturing startups or anybody helping India to become self reliant. I am ready to promote them. They should be genuine. I just don't want to do anything which is not genuine. So, if you are making a product or something which you are doing to help become India self reliant, please let me know. I would definitely want to see what I can do to promote your business or to promote your product. So let's all work together to make India self reliant, do everything possible to make this happen. I should stop using this imported whey protein. This is the ONO whey protein, and see, this is an Indian brand. This is Muscle Blaze and Himalaya. This is an Indian brand. So let's support Indian brands. We cannot become self-reliant in a day or two. It would be a long process. It may take years, but let's start off. Let's start supporting local products. Let's start buying local products if it's available. And see, every time when you go to a shop, there are so many really good Indian brands. I'm going to make a list of Indian brands from different segments and post it also. See, clothing. We have got really very high class Indian brands, even vehicles, Mahindra, Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland, these are all great Indian brands, pure Indian brands. So let's try to promote these brands and make it happen. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye. Take care.